Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mahmudul Hassan from Dhaka.
Alaikum Assalam. I'm Saidul Islam. Thank you, Mahmud Hassan. Mahmud Hassan, you know how many types of coffee?
Yeah, there are four type of coffee: Arabica, Robusta, Libreca, and Excelsa.
How many types of coffee roast?
There are four type of coffee roast. First of all, city or light, medium, medium dark, and dark.
Can you tell me some coffee name?
Yeah, there is espresso, cappuccino, latte, espresso longo, ice Spanish latte.
Okay, thank you. Mahmudul Hassan,
Yeah,
please can you tell me how to make high quality coffee?
yeah, sure. There are five things you can make a high quality coffee. The coffee type, the coffee bean you, the type of coffee bean you are using, coffee particular size, temperature, contact time, and coffee to water ratio.
How to make flat white?
Flat white. Uh, the single shot espresso and steam milk.
How to make affogato?
Uh, Single shot espresso and 1 cube of ice cream.
Can you do latte art in coffee?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now you make one macchiato. You know how to make macchiato?
Yeah, sure.
Now you make one macchiato and make some latte art.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.